Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor D.S. Kamble. In cost accounting subject, today we see the contents of classification of overheads. Overheads means cost. There are three types of cost. First one is fixed overheads, second one is variable overheads, third one is semi-variable overheads. Fixed overheads. Fixed overheads expenses are those which remain fixed in total amount with increase or decrease in value of output or productivity activity for a particular period of time. For example, managerial remuneration, it is a fixed. Rent of building, it is also fixed, and insurance of building and plant. There is no changes in these types of activity. Fixed overheads costs remain the same from one period to another except when they are deliberately changes. For example, increments granted to staff. So, increments granted to staff automatically change in managerial remuneration. It means it is increased. The incidence of fixed overheads or unit cost decreased as production increase and vice versa. Fixed overheads are stated to be uncontrollable in the sense that they are not influenced by managerial action. However, it should be noted that an expenditure is fixed within specified limit relating to time or activity. In an organization, no expenditure remains unchanged for all times. Therefore, it is true to state the fixed overheads is fixed within specified limit relating to time and activity. Second, variable overheads. Variable overheads costs are those costs which vary in total in direct proportion to the value of output. For instance, if the output increased by 5%, the variable expenses also increase by 5%. Correspondingly, on a decline of the output, it will also decline proportionately. For examples are indirect material and indirect labor variable overheads changes in total, but its incidence on unit cost remains constant. Semi-variable overheads means these overheads costs are partly fixed and partly variable. Some fixed or some variable changes. They are known as semi-variable overheads because they contains both fixed and variable elements. Semi-variable overheads do not fluctuate in direct proportional to volume. They are also called step cost. It may remain fixed within a certain activity level, but once that level is exceeded, they vary without having direct relationship with volume changes or total changes. For example, depreciation, telephone charges, repairs and maintenance of building, machines and equipment, etc. Semi-variable expenses usually have two parts. one fixed and other variable. For instance, depreciation usually depends on two factors, one time fixed and other variable. The two together make depreciation as a whole semi-variable. And analytical study can make it possible for all semi-variable expenses to be split up into two parts. Fundamentally, therefore, are only two types of expenses, fixed and variable. Methods of semi-variable cost into fixed and variable cost. We can design the graphical presentation of method. We disclose the semi-variable cost in the graphical presentation method, and under this method a good number of observation in respect of the total cost at different levels of activity or output are plotted on a graph with the output on the x-axis and their correspondence cost on the y-axis. Then by judgment, a line of base fit which passes through all or most of the points is drawn. Points falling for behind the lines are erectic and are not considered for this purpose. The points at which the cost line touch the y-axis is taken to be fixed elements of cost. From this point, a line parallel to x-axis is drawn to represent fixed cost line. The variable cost at any level of output is taken by deducting this fixed cost elements from the total cost. Second is the least square method. In this method, line of best fit is drawn for a number of observations with the help of statistical. This method uses the linear equation and high and low points method. Under this point, the output at two different levels, high or low point, is compared with the amount of expenses incurred at these different times. Analytical methods. Under this method, the degree of variability is estimated for each time of semi-variable expenses. For instance, some semi-variable expenses have changes while others to extend or fixed. Then comparison by time or level of activity method. Under this method, output and expenses at two levels are compared. Fixed overhead remain fixed and variable overheads can be obtained with the help of formula, which formula changes in the amount of expenses divided by changes in the activity or quantity. So there are three main classification of overheads. Overheads means cost. First one is fixed costs. Second one is variable cost. Fixed means constant. Variables means changes. And third one is, last one is semi-variable. It means some part of fixed or some part of variables. Thank you.